currently at the end of downtown Dunedin. Here's the harbor or the marina. Pretty nice. I'm gonna turn the actual camera in a minute. So I took a few shots with the drone. I'm flying with the DJI Mini 2, which you guys can do the same thing with the Mini 1 or Mini SE, which is one of the drones that I love the most. On this travel, I brought my DJI Mini 2. Highly recommend it. I'll put some shots, and I will include some shots on this video. Once again, traveling with the DJI Mini 2 this time. Let's see what the Mini 3 brings. I'm not sure if it's gonna be worth the upgrade, but we can always try, right? We can always see what it compares. We always want the best and the latest and the best thing that the market can bring, but we need to learn how to love what we have and do the most with what we have. So I've been enjoying the Mini 2 very well, very much, to be honest with you guys.